Hello guys, this is Derek again and welcome to TUBEBUDDY. So today I'm about to show you guys how you can gain tons of views with a tool which I've been using, and I want to share with you guys what you guys can do with it. And again, I want to share with you how you can get the legend license of the tool, right? And the tool I'm talking about here is TUBEBUDDY. I actually have a video on how you can just get TUBEBUDDY Pro license for free. So this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get the legend license for 1 month for free. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and then Fridays, Mondays and Wednesdays for YouTube tips, and then Fridays app reviews and new applications you can use on your phone. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it to anyone who want to grow on YouTube. So basically, it's every content creator's dream to just get views on their videos. With TUBEBUDDY, I bet you guys are going to get lots of views. I've been using TUBEBUDDY in a while, in about 2 months, and then I've seen a lot of improvements in my YouTube channel. So I want to share with you guys, and then you guys will also use it, and then how it's going to benefit you. I actually tried the pro version for free, and then I'm now trying the license version for free. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get the legend license for free, and then how you'll be able to use it. Use that and then play with it, optimize your videos, and then I bet you guys are going to be able to just rank on top of a lot of videos. So just stick around and don't skip this video. I'm going to go to my computer and then I'll show you what you guys will do. So after you are done installing the TUBEBUDDY with a link in my description, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see this button here, and then you're going to see all these here. These are TUBEBUDDY. These are from TUBEBUDDY. So when we go to other browsers and you check on my analytics, you wouldn't see stuff like that here. You wouldn't see anything around here like that. So I'm gonna go back to Firefox and then we check it out. So what you have to do is you click on this button here, and then you go down and then go to my accounts right here. After going there, you click on TUBEBUDDY dashboard, and when you click on TUBEBUDDY dashboard, a pop-up is gonna come. So you see, you might not have your channel around here. So if your channel is in here, you have to click here, and then it will load, and then it will give you where you can pick your email of the channel which you want to add there. Okay, so if you're done adding, you're gonna see this right here if your channel is eligible to do this. So you see, good news, this channel qualifies for free TUBEBUDDY sponsored upgrade. So you click on this one, and then it will take you to another page, and what you would see is you can see trial with credit cards. Okay, so order a 30-day free trial using a valid credit card. Trial turns into a regular paid subscription if not cancelled within 30 days. Okay, so only one per user. So this is what you do. You can try this, but it's gonna be limited. So this one is free actually with your card, and you can cancel it when it's almost maybe 29 days and you feel maybe you are not going to be able to pay for it. So this is for the pro, that is $9, and this is the star, I think it's around 29 or something, and this is the legend, which is $49. So I'm going to tell you guys to just use this. Click on the legend, you put in your cards. They are not going to charge you right away, they're going to charge you after the first 30 days. So you put in your cards, because this is free trials. You put in your cards for the first 30 days. So when maybe you are done, you're a small YouTuber, and when you are done and you feel maybe this is helpful, it's going to really help your channel, help you grow, what you have to do is you cancel this maybe on the 29th day, and then you come back here, and then you hit on the pro version, and you purchase the pro, which is $9. And I think that is affordable, and it's cool because it will help you gain a lot of views on your channel, and then you'll be able to optimize and then rank on YouTube and then Google. So I think when you're done with the legends on the 29th day, you come back and then you just pay for the $9, and then I think it's cool for you. So this is something I've tried, and I'm going to show you the channel which I tried with that, and you guys will see I'm not telling lies about anything. So I'm gonna go to my Opera Mini and then we check it out. So this is my account, let's check it out here. So you see I'm on legend right here, that is it. I'm on legend right here. This is the channel. Let's see, this is the channel. I get it. I don't want you guys to say I'm just saying anything. There's a channel, TUBEBUDDY, right? So let's go here, and you see this is it. So I'm on legend right here. I click on the legend, and then we go back to see, you see TUBEBUDDY here. Okay, so active, and I actually signed up for this on the 22nd of June, and the price is $49, like we see right here. $49, like we see on Mozilla Firefox. Where is it at? You see legend, the price is actually $49, like we see here. It's gonna pop up here. Okay, so this is it, $49. So that is what okay, so you see $49, that is it, $49. So monthly, so next payment is gonna be July 22nd, right? So if maybe it's July 21st and I feel like I'm not gonna use it anymore, I want to change the credit card, or I feel I don't want to use it anymore, I'll just hit here and then cancel it. So if I cancel it, I can go back to pro version, which I think maybe as a small YouTuber it will help me, and then I start with that. So I want to share with you guys, and I know it's gonna be helpful because TUBEBUDDY actually helps a lot. It will help you so that you'll be able to rank on YouTube and all. You'll be able to search for keywords. It's actually cool. So I'll actually show you how to search for keywords on TUBEBUDDY in the next video. So if you're new here and you feel like you want to learn a lot about how to grow on YouTube, don't forget to
subscribe for more videos,
because I have a lot I want to share with you guys. I hope this video was very insightful, and if it was, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you want to grow on YouTube, and then share to anyone who also want to grow on YouTube, and then catch you in the next one.